guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yay. I am back today to give you my 1 month update for my Sisterlocks. So I wanted to first thank the people that watched my video, my first video. This is a new territory for me. I do videos, but I don't like editing them, so because of that you don't see a lot of videos that I actually record. But I have decided that I am going to record more and put out more content, and just test out this YouTube thing and see how that goes. But anyways, thank you. If you're watching this for the first time, if you're new on my channel, please subscribe. Let me know what content you like to see. If you don't know me already, I am a sewing blogger. I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own business, African inspired women's wear business, and I work full-time. I'm an IT recruiter and so on. So anyways, so let's get into it, the reason why you're here. So tomorrow will be my 1 month anniversary for my Sisterlocks, and so far I am absolutely loving it. Just to let you know, like walk you through the what has happened so far. My hair has changed since day one till now. I tried to do a video I think on day 3, and while I was recording, of course the camera died, and I got busy with other things and other events that I had coming up, that I didn't go back to it. But I told myself I didn't want to let the 1 month pass without me giving you guys an update. So I'm loving it so far. I know they said that the first few months will be your ugly stage or whatever. I'm feeling the ugly stage right now because I'm used to having full hair, big hair, but right now, like, my hair is just, it's full, but it's not, big like I would like it to be. But anyways, so my installation, right? So when I got it done, it took 3 days. So we started on October 8th, and we didn't finish till the 10th. So it took 3 days, and it took 30 hours to finish my installation. And also my hair was about some places were 7 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches, so different length. And I have about 488 Sisterlocks in my head. So I haven't counted them, but my Sisterlock, I trust her. My loctician told me that that's how many I have. So I love it. I wanted my Sisterlock to be full so I could do things with it. So I am perfectly fine with the 488 number. I'm sure she's gonna be adding more because I'm trying to grow parts of my edges that I've lost over the years, and I saw like some hair coming up right here. I'm not sure if you can see it right here. See, I feel like that is going to end up being a lock, so I'm excited about that. So, and also one thing I've loved about having a Sisterlock is that my dog's trying to go out again. Hold on. So one thing I've loved about having Sisterlocks is that I can pretty much literally wake up, shake my head, and be done with it. I don't have to do much to it like I used to do with my loose natural hair. So that's one of the reasons why I got Sisterlocks, and I am absolutely glad I did. So how do I get my hair done in the morning? My loctician told me that all I have to do is just spritz it with water. So she suggested that I mix water with oil, almond oil, and just spray the roots and stuff like that, and it will lift my hair or give it life. So that's what I did. I added, let me see, I added a little bit of oil. I'm not sure if you can see it, oil, and then this, like, maybe just a little bit right here, and then more water, and then I shake that in the morning and just spray the roots of my hair like that and stuff. So okay, so if I don't want to spray it with oil, sometimes I I have another bottle with just water, so I use that as well. And then I'm good to go. And to wash my hair, she told me I need to do the braiding and banding. So I just braid my hair and fold the end of it, and also put a rubber band at the end. And once I'm done with that, I put the Sisterlock shampoo, mixed it with water, and I spritz my hair with it, and then wash my hair doing this and stuff. So it's pretty cool. I love it. It's not it's less work than I used to do on my loose natural hair. So I wanted something that it's this is what I want pretty much for my lifestyle, and I have no regrets at all, and I'm glad I did it. So I'm going to turn around and show you guys part of my hair so you can see it. All right, so see, yay. So I'm still loving it. I haven't done anything special to it. One thing I normally do, if I wanted to give it more bounce, is maybe for like a few hours I would do bantu nut, like just by putting my hand right here and then twisting my hair, and then twisting my hair, folding it like this, and just leaving it just like that. See? So I do that to my whole head for a few hours. I don't even do it for like I don't do it overnight really, because in the morning I want it a certain way. But anyways, I do it the day before, and then before I go to sleep I take it off, and it's usually like really curly, which I don't want. So what I do is I take it all off, put my nightcap on, and by the time I wake up in the morning, it's actually it's wavier the way I want it, and bumpier. So that's it. Once I take pictures, I will insert this as well, and then so you guys can see it. So thank you so much for joining me. Hope you guys love it. Let me know again. Let me know what else you want to see. I am going to come back with another update, or once I learn something new about my hair, and let you guys know. All right, thank you so much. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come back to show you guys my installation. I finally got it done. I'm Team Sisterlock now. I'm part of the family. I decided to start journaling my journey, my Sisterlocks journey, more like more for me anyway, so that I can compare it years from now and see how my hair has have changed or grown. So, and also so just to have something to look back on. And I also know that there are people that have been asking me to do videos about it, since I mentioned on my Instagram saying that I am going to yes, that I'm going to lock my hair. So I'm excited. If you haven't seen my sister lock consultation video, just go view my last video. It's just a story time and what happened and how I chose my consultant, right? So and I compared the two consultants that I met with. So this time, so pretty much I got my hair installed. It's been a week now, and actually it was a week yesterday, and I am loving every bit of it. It kind of look weird to me right now. They call it the ugly stage, but I'm embracing each step of it. Trying to just love and learn my hair and see how it changes pretty much every day. When I first actually got it done, it was not like this. Actually, it was more curlier, and the hair was not as straight like it is right. So pretty much it took whole days to install, which was fine. She warned me that it was going to take that long, so I was prepared. And so how do you get prepared for something like this, knowing that you'll be sitting in the chair for 3 whole days? So what I did was a couple of things that I did was I made sure that I was prepared with food. She was awesome, so she had videos, and she, of course, she has cable. So we watched movies and we watched different shows. While we were sitting there, we talked, got to know each other, talk about different experiences. Which was awesome. And also I sometimes work from home remotely, so I was able to actually do some work while she was doing my hair, so that was awesome. And another thing that I did was I just made sure that I dressed comfortably, joggers and flats or whatever. That way I'm not uncomfortable in my clothes and stuff. And she made sure that we took breaks in between, and even lunch breaks. And also we made sure we got Starbucks, because my installation was actually at 6 a.m. Each day, which normally I'm sleeping at that time, but I was determined to do my hair, so I told her, yeah, 6 a.m. it is, and I will be there. So that was pretty much what I did to get ready. I didn't even think too much into it, because I felt like if I think too much into me sitting for hours, that I would probably want to do it. So I didn't think too much into it. I just focused on the goal, the end goal, and before I know it, 3 days was gone. So another thing was my hair. So I told you it took, I'm not sure if I mentioned, but it took 30 combined hours to do my hair. So pretty much like 10 hours each day to do the hair. So like I said, she's amazing. And I felt so bad for her, because by the time we were done, she was really, 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 really tired. I mean, at least I was sitting down, she was doing the work. So I felt really bad for her, but she's amazing, like I said. Yeah. So it's about 488 locks in my hair. They're pretty thin right now, because my hair is fine a little bit, but as it grows, it's gonna thicken up, and so my hair is gonna be fuller. And 488 is not bad. I asked her what is the average number of locks, and she said that is between the 400s, maybe 500 shit, but nothing more than that. If it's I mean, some people get, I've heard of people getting like 800, which was like double what I have right now. But my thing was like, once my hair gets fuller or thicker, that would be a lot of hair to maintain, which means when I go back to her for retightening, I'll be sitting in her chair double the time, which I really don't want to do. And what have I done since to my hair since I got it? I What I've done was I've braided it, I've twisted it, I've left it alone and just slept on it. I have this satin cap that I bought online, that I wear to sleep every night. But usually when I wake up, I just shake my head, and I'm good to go. So I don't do